Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about American of Martinsville furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Consider one of America's best kept secrets, American of Martinsville, if you enjoy hip mid-century modern furniture. For many years this fantastic furniture company's West Virginia factories produced gorgeous cherry, walnut and oak fine furniture. The company began with bedroom furniture in the early 1900s, and eventually expanded to include other lines, the most renowned types, however, were their fantastic mid-century modern style furniture. Signature styles of the American of Martinsville. The furniture of American of Martinsville is highly sought after today due to its clean lines and magnificent hardwoods. Typically you'll notice that the business employed oak as a secondary wood within the drawers and treated walnut as the principal wood with preference. You may note that many of the American of Martinsville pieces share a common theme. That's one of their well-known brass inlaid X's. Tabletops, dresser corners, and even credenzas were frequently inlaid with these X's. Slatted doors and cabinet doors in the mid-century design can also be found on American of Martinsville pieces. Sliding glass doors and peg legs are common features of American of Martinsville hutches. In dens and living areas these pieces make excellent bar cabinets. Martinsville American China Cabinet. Furniture from American of Martinsville is looking for a new home. Mid-century furniture aficionados frequently discover that after acquiring just one piece of furniture, they are unable to quench their craving for this seductive design trend. Their entire home is transformed into a modernism museum, complete with stylish mid-century end tables, coffee tables, sofas and bookcases. There's nothing wrong with going all in on the mid-century modern look. After all, it goes so well with contemporary art and carefree design. But why not choose for some American of Martinsville beauties that are both inexpensive and of good quality? American of Martinsville's long walnut credenzas are frequently snapped up. This workhorse of a piece of furniture may be utilized for a variety of purposes. For maximum cool effect, many repurpose them into bathroom vanities, television stands, or even put them in the foyer. Martinsville, Virginia's American of Martinsville manufactures hip furniture. For those looking for high-end mid-century furniture at a reasonable price, American of Martinsville furniture can be a great option. American of Martinsville is an excellent alternative to spending tens of thousands of dollars on signature items by Miller or Eames. You get high-quality American-made furniture from a reputable company. And the value of this brand is expected to increase over time. With American of Martinsville, however, you will not have to sacrifice style. Almost every piece we sold in our antique business had amazing lines, beautiful wood textures, and amazing mechanical parts, slide doors or flip tops that worked well. You may also repair historic American of Martinsville furniture because it is mostly solid wood. Of course, others would argue that this lowers the value. On the other hand, you may put a good piece to good use and extend its life. In other words, the value of an American of Martinsville dresser is mostly determined by its condition and style. As a result, refinishing it could result in more bidding and higher rates. When I was attempting to figure out what line our American of Martinsville bar came from, I mentioned a little about the company's history. It's from the Darnier collection, as it turns out. For some reason, it never occurred to me that Martinsville might be the city where all of Martinsville's American furniture is created. You'd never put your hometown's name in your company's name in current copywriting, or naming, because you never know when you'll expand or relocate out of town. But I guess the Americans of Martinsville plan to stay, and they did for nearly a century. And the city of Martinsville, which includes American of Martinsville, Bassett Furniture and Hooker Furniture Company, has a history of furniture manufacturing. The history of the American of Martinsville is as follows. Ansel Witten and Charles Kesey, two Martinsville tobacco dealers, formed the American Furniture Company in 1906. These men raised an initial financing of $30,000 with the help of 12 other local business leaders. The company has developed, rapidly surpassing $100 million in sales for the first time in 1989. The company now goes by the name American of Martinsville, and specializes in creating furniture for the hotel and healthcare industries. The next time you stay in a hotel, open a drawer, and chances are you'll notice an American of Martinsville logo. The American Furniture Company was created on March 21, 1906, in Martinsville, Virginia, by 14 local businessmen with a $30,000 initial investment. This company had to start from the ground up, but thanks to their inventiveness and confidence, they swiftly expanded into what we today know as American of Martinsville. Originally only bedroom furniture was manufactured. However, the company began to broaden its goods in 1922, when it added dining room furniture and began to provide a variety of styles. American of Martinsville added a contract branch in 1959. This section specialized in the production of a variety of case goods and seating for the expanding hotel industry. Today the company is solely focused on creating products for the hospitality industry, with a focus on hotels, resorts, timeshares and restaurants. The company has grown from humble beginnings to over 480,000 square feet of manufacturing, administrative and distribution space. American of Martinsville is known for providing high-quality, utilitarian furniture, and prides itself on true elegance and great quality, thanks to cutting-edge technology and hands-on craftsmanship. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.